lines. There you go. Put it back. Hey. This is one of the most important parts. Getting the steering wheel connected. If you don't do it right, it could cause a serious accident. There you go. If the actuator works. Yeah, it's getting freezing cold. All done.